Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Afterpay to Cash App. First, open your Cash App and tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom. This takes you to the Discover section. Go through the Discovery options and search for Afterpay. You can also tap recommended offers and scroll to see if Afterpay is listed there. Sometimes Afterpay doesn't appear in Cash App, and that's okay. If it's not there, here's another way to do it. Open the Afterpay app itself, tap on an active order, then select Pay Early. When choosing your payment method, select Cash App Card as the payment option. Confirm the payment, and that's it. You've now used your Cash App with Afterpay successfully. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.